Are we rolling? Is that? Yeah, we are. Oh, so I was gabbing away there and already and everything like that. So, well, we've managed to in the past couple of weeks, which since the last time we talked, is actually started sheeting the flooring. We're doing that just to kind of like help level everything out and kind of help with the structure too, kind of create a diaphragm in the house because it just has the old skip sheeting and stuff like that. We're into framing, which is great. We were starting to put it back together again and stuff like that. And the basement started getting framing going too and stuff like that. So we're progressing along. It's kind of a pretty rapid process after this point, which is kind of nice because it was been 5 weeks of this whole structural stuff. I still haven't set my corner. We're debating on what we're going to do to finalize and hold that in place at this point. So we managed to get 2.5 inches out of this corner over here in this living room, which was our main focus of this whole sunken area. We may come back and put a new foundation in this spot and do a crib wall that comes up and then we can support it. We'll be framing out the chimney at some point, which needs a huge footing. That'll be pretty interesting when we get to that point. The concrete guys are going to be coming to take a look at that and this, and then we got our window wells. And then we're going to start framing stuff out for like an actual kitchen. HVAC comes in on Monday of next week, I guess it's Monday of next week, and they'll start their stuff. So that's our kind of main focus right now is to get ready for all the HVAC stuff, and then we go into the plumbing, and then we go into the electrical. So we got the hole fixed where the old stairwell was, opened this whole thing up, got our beam in. We're going to start framing out this area for the kitchen, and then when you see the old door, well, half the old door is left. And then what's going to happen here is we'll just fill this in. This becomes a shear wall because we're going to open up. We're going to punch a hole in this area for the French doors, and then there will be a huge 3-bay window above the sink here for the kitchen. So that's going to be that's going to be the fun part, which it'll make it look really great in here, especially when you get a 400 square foot kitchen into like a 15 by 15 kitchen, which is considerably bigger, which will be nice, and a huge island in the middle. This is going to look really great. Sounds like everybody's excited about it. We're pretty excited to get into this point too, which is nice. We've managed to close off the old stairwell, patch that in for the kitchen above, and we've managed to put the stairs in. Temporary stairs by that, but and then also we've started to frame down here. It's starting to look good, dividing up all our little rooms. We got our bathroom, we got a bedroom. We're still doing a little bit lifting out here. We're still debating on how we're going to set that at the end as the end product. So at some point that'll happen. I'm going to finish up what I can today so I can move on and start framing the upstairs and stuff like that. We had to fix this floor, to fix the next floor, to fix the next floor, sort of deal. And then we have a huge bathroom, full master bath going on the second floor, and it's in this corner. So I need to get that set where I want it before I try to start framing the master bedroom above. All our little plates are coming in. We got all our wood in. We got our sheeting going on. We have a whole bunch of things going on here. We're having fun now. It was pretty arduous there for a while, so now we can actually go on to the part of putting Humpty Dumpty back together again, which is nice.